Hi everyone, it's Milani and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out this Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. I got this on BoxyCharm. It was during their pop-up sale and I think I only paid $6 for this. Their first palette I absolutely loved. So I really wanted to get this and test it out, and look how pretty this palette is. You get 4 pressed pigments and 4 matte shades. So I actually don't have any eyeshadow primer on, so I'm just going to go in with my sponge and just kind of work whatever is left over on here just to prime my eyes a little bit. We're not doing anything too crazy. It's not even going to be a real makeup tutorial. I'm just going to show you everything I'm using. I really just want to test this out, and I've been holding on to this palette for such a long time, so it's time. It's time that we dig in and we start playing with some products. I think, what do I want to go in with? Wait, let me just, my mirror's in the way. So I'm thinking, I don't know. I think, okay, let's, I don't know what color to go in with. Okay, let's go in with these two. Actually, let's go in with that pink first. I feel like yeah, let's go in with the pink first and kind of go from there. Okay. So we're going in with this pink, and this is pigmented. This is very pigmented. I'm not gonna lie. I have very high expectations for this because the first palette was incredible. Like, incredible. I don't think I have the palette here, and I can't pronounce it, so I'm not even going to attempt. So let's just keep this on the outer V. I want to try to use as many colors as I can. But look how well that blended out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this orangey shade also, and I'm just going to run that right underneath it. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'm not getting any fallout either, and I'm just going to bring what's ever left over just slightly into the crease over here. And I'm using very light pressures, so I'm not adding too much color. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this very bright fuchsia color, I guess that's what it is. Taking a very small fluffy brush, I am going to run this on the lower lash line right here, and I'm literally just stamping and pushing in this color. And now I'm just going to buff and work this in and just bring this up a little. Just like that. You know what? Let's drag this up and just add a very small amount right here. And just running it onto the lids just here. So I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm using a smaller brush. I'm going to add this into my inner tear duct. Wow, that's so pretty. So I'm also going to take a little bit and run this down here just a little. You guys know I love glitter, sparkles, anything like that. And just bringing it up a little bit. So now I'm going to take this color right here. It's kind of like a nice purple and burgundy, or purple and cranberry color right here. And I'm going to tap this right in the center, but just keeping it really low. And there's no fallout. So I'm literally just keeping it right over here. Now going back in with that little small brush that I used to apply this color into my inner tear ducts, I'm going to take a little bit of this purple right here, and I'm going to tap that in right here. Probably should have used a different brush for this. I don't think I like that color in that area, but okay, actually I changed my mind. I'm gonna go back in with this orange color and add that right on top. That purple was just kind of washing out the colors. So I kind of want to brighten it up just a little bit. I am getting a little bit of fallout. Now taking this purple right here, I'm gonna add this right here. So on top of that cranberry shade, just right there. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking that same fluffy brush that I used to apply the first matte shades, and I'm just going to blend a little bit, just the edges. So I really want to brighten up the inner tear duct. I'm going to add a little bit of this glitter primer. This is from Hard Candy. I'm just going to apply a very small amount right in the center of the inner tear duct. Clean that off, going back in with the Spanglish palette, going back in with the orangey shimmer, and this is called Pero Light. And just tap that in. To definitely brighten it up, but I think I need a lighter shade to add in here. But do you see that difference? Just adding that glitter primer. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of my highlighter just to brighten up that area. It's a little, I didn't have enough colors in here to really just brighten that up. So I'm gonna use my Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter, and let's just, oh yeah. Stuff is so pigmented. I'm gonna take a little bit of that highlighter and just add right here too. And I'm gonna also highlight tip of my nose. I'm just going all out of order. I'm also going to highlight my face, and I'm going to use a really fluffy brush because I really haven't been into an intense highlight, but I also like fluffier brushes when I just want it to look like a lit from within look. So you see? And this is just some e.l.f. blush brush, so it was like $3. I'm also going to take that light pink also, using the same brush. I'm going to add this and use this as a blush. That's pretty. That's like a perfect coral pink. You see that? Look how pretty that is. I'm just going to curl my lashes really quick. I'm not doing any fake lashes. I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to play around with this palette and just see how it worked out. And I'm liking it. And I'm just using my Essence / Princess mascara. Okay, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I went in with Morphe's Sugar Pie lip liner and KKW Beauty 90s style lipstick. I really, really love this lipstick. The formula is so good. I don't know if you were able to see on camera, but I barely put any pressure on, and it was just a nice full coverage, matte, comfortable lip. And for the center, I added a little bit of this gloss. This is from Cara Beauty, and this is 90s Girl. And I'm very specific when I place lip gloss, just because lip gloss just kind of gets everywhere on me, and especially, yeah, I'm just one of those people. So I strategically place where I place my lip gloss. Just put it on the top over here and just right in the center on the bottom. And yeah, this is the completed look. I love this palette. I think the shadows, the pigments, everything is so good. I love the colors, the formula. I mean, I have absolutely no complaints about this. I love the colors too. I'm a shimmer, I'm a glitter, I'm a pink girl, you know. I love this. So everything worked out really well. I did have a little bit of fallout when I was constantly packing on the pigment, but that was because I was being lazy and I was just using the same brush, because I was just being lazy. It is what it is. I'm assuming that it won't get messy if I use the right brushes, because when I was using flat shader brushes to pack on the pigment onto the lid, I had no fallout whatsoever. It's just because I was constantly using this same brush and just trying to pack and work and blend, it wasn't working. But again, that's on me. So I do really like this. I love everything about this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review, mini little tutorial, but not a real tutorial. And yes, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.